These vehicles are highly expensive and powerful. They can't even be stopped by sand. And the drivers are... The Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway has gone through many phases of transformation, and that is why on today's video I want to carry you along from the beginning of this construction all the way to how it is currently. I know most of you must have watched the video I made concerning the night view and the commissioning of the Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway, but on today's video I want us to reflect on how amazing this project has transformed over the past year. And this project, which is about a year plus now, is marking a significant change in Nigerian transportation, and this is also helping boost the economy in a lot of ways. This video you are watching is a video I made during the early days of the construction of this Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway, and this video got a lot of views, and it was amazing because a lot of people didn't believe the construction was gonna come too good like this, and I'm so happy that actually this is something that is fulfilling to us Nigerians and also putting us on the map of a country with lots of wonderful projects going on, especially Lagos, Abuja, Imo, Abia, and Ogun State. These are few of the states in Nigeria where a lot of construction are massively going on and transforming everything. Even the Ogun State are also working on their stadium, the Lagos rehabilitation of the Teslim Balogun Stadium, and also the Costain National Theatre, which has completed its renovation and rehabilitation with new cinemas and new CCTV cameras. Not to talk about the bridges in Lagos, which new CCTV camera are being installed to monitor real-time, and solar-powered electricity lights are also being installed everywhere. This is a massive change. It's a big thank you to the President of Nigeria, the Nigerian citizens themselves, and the Minister of Work, who is also making sure everything is going fine. Anyways, let's watch the video and see how amazing this project has gone from being nothing all the way to how it is currently. Coastal Road, Lagos to Calabar Coastal Road, to show you guys how this place is currently, and also to give you in full details everything you need to know about this place. On 31st of May, the Nigerian president commissioned the first 30 kilometers of the Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway, which has been completed. And as you can see, this Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway is divided into sections, and each section comes with different upgrade and different amenities. Though we will be discovering some parts that will involve the rail, the train as it was popularly known. Talking about the train construction did not start from the beginning of the road, which is Victoria Island. The train construction, which was meant to start from Jakonde axis, though while looking at the construction on that area, you will see there's a big space which has been left out, obviously for some reason, which would definitely be the train construction. But now there's no train or rail construction ongoing on this project. It's just the road first that is being worked on. And many people are saying that out of 700 kilometer, only 30 kilometer has been completed and they are commissioning it, meaning this commissioning is going to involve lots of time, and they will keep on commissioning the road 30 by 30 by 30. But that's not the case. The commissioning was done to show the kickoff of the project officially, which has now gone past 30 kilometer. Mind you, in Ogun State, over 150 kilometer is also being constructed. So not just the part in Lagos State that is only shown. Maybe because most creators videograph the part in Lagos and makes it obvious, and viewers tend to think only the Lagos part is being constructed. No, other parts are being constructed. Even in Calabar, the construction has kicked off. In Ogun State, construction is going. Ondo State and the rest. Don't worry, on this channel, we'll be discovering all the construction areas, progress, and also development that you might actually need to know concerning this project. During the construction, when this project started, it kicked off as a minor thing, though it's demolished a lot of houses and caused a lot of things to stop going on in Lagos, like the rivers, the beach, the fun hotels, and everything was totally closed. But now we are already seeing the benefits of this construction. Though people lost their properties, which according to government they said they were going to settle them, which a lot of people are also claiming they have not been settled. Up to now, there are a lot of rumors and talks concerning this Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway. Right at my back, they are measuring the length of the road. Yeah, I'm hearing 14 point something feet. So that's the length of the road they are measuring right at my back. And also, they are trying to get a better measurement so that all the road will be accurate without any mistake. As you can see, there's still a lot of spaces to work on, maybe to put the train, I think, and so many things. I don't know where the train is starting actually, and I've not been able to see someone to ask. But in any ways, I'll still be able to ask maybe in this video, and I'll let you guys know. Wow. Another man down. you.